Bitcoin is currently breaking down, but there is one very important thing you need to know. Will this be a fake out and will Bitcoin pump towards the upside of the range? Or is this the start of the next move towards the downside? We have been also breaking the 14-year-old support level, and on the lower time frame, the next trading setup is already loading for Bitcoin. I will deep dive into every single detail about all those charts, but first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X, and most importantly, to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video if you love those daily update videos. And let's dive right away into the content for now, because I've been talking about this pattern a lot. In the past few days, we have been compressing towards an edge point, and this is a really important thing in the market because this means that orders are piling up, that the Bitcoin price is coiling for the next move towards either the upside or towards the downside. The side we have been breaking out or down from, that is probably the side Bitcoin is looking for. Right now we have been breaking down, but there is one really interesting thing in the market. If we look at the price action over the last few days, we are just squeezing towards the downside. The volume is pretty low, like we have been seeing right over here. We were just chopping towards the downside. Volume is quite low. Everyone is loading up shorts on the top side here. I will deep dive into the trade that is unfolding right now, but I think this is the fake out towards the downside. There is no sell pressure within the breakdown. The volume is quite low. This could be an easy fake out on Bitcoin, and I don't think that Bitcoin can drop massively from off this point. If volume can't kick in from off this point, Bitcoin will probably move further on towards the upside. If the volume kicks in further towards the downside, we will probably look out for the liquidity to take before the next rally towards the upside. So do we need to worry about this down move? I don't really think so with the volume we are seeing right now. We could see a little bit more downside for Bitcoin towards approximately the $62,000. Then we have been taking all the liquidity. Right now we took the liquidity on the lower side. The top side liquidity is still here. This is the moment where institutions and entities could trap the whole market with a move towards the upside. Otherwise, we have been breaking down from of this 14-year-old support level, and this is simply indicating that Bitcoin will go down in the next few months. But is this something we need to worry about also on those lower time frames? Because the higher time frames are just bearish, and of course we are trying to scoop the day trades out of those patterns. We can see a little bit of a relief rally towards the upside. It is pretty normal in every single bear market. And also, if I look at this 14-year-old support level, I don't worry about a flash crash towards the downside. That is why I am planning to open up the next trade over on Bitcoin. Like I've been saying here, we have been ranging for a while on Bitcoin. Of course, the pressure is towards the downside, but it is really important to know that we are currently at massive support for Bitcoin. We have been creating a lot of liquidity on the lower side and of course towards the upside. If we look on the 1 hour time frame, what we can see is we are just creating so much liquidity on the top side. Everyone is shorting this choppy price action towards the downside. And with the support zone we are in right now, we can only expect a little bit of buy momentum kicking in the market and take everyone out of the market. It is quite similar, but a little bit heavier than what we have been seeing right over here. We came in a support and Bitcoin pumped towards the upside. Right now we are in support once again, but are we blindly longing this right now? No, I have opening up and scaling into a small trade over on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drop further towards the downside, I am planning to scale into this trade to get a better entry. But if you want to day trade this move towards the upside, this is more like a swing trade that I've been entering here. Please make sure to wait for a easy confirmation towards the upside that Bitcoin has been getting buy momentum within those zones, and also that Bitcoin is strong enough to flip the trend towards the upside. The trade I am opening up here is a longer term swing trade. Please make sure to not copy it as a day trade. This is just a longer plan. I want Bitcoin to go down from off this point. Why? I can just open up a bigger position. If Bitcoin moves from off this point, we will probably be not in this position with the whole amount. So I just opened this position to just see Bitcoin going down even more to enter up in this trade. If you want to day trade this move, please make sure to wait for a structure change towards the upside, and it's probably laying around the $67,000. If we manage to gain that level and see a perfect retest from off that point, that is the exact moment we can open up a day trade further towards the upside. Also, if I look at this low, it looks quite okay. We have been taking out this low, we have been taking out all this liquidity, what we have been creating over the night. This is what is looking really good for a low. But still, from that point, please make sure to wait for a confirmation on Bitcoin, and that is a perfect gain from off this high, and we can trade this move all the way towards the upside and take this liquidity out here. So for now, no confirmations for a long yet, but I am looking for longs quite aggressively in this zone. And if you want to trade those moves over by yourself, please make sure to join my free trading community with the first link in the description. And also, please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel, because like today, I'm just discussing everything, every day trading setup in a daily update video. So if you never want to miss a daily trade setup, once again, please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel. We are literally crushing the market with the whole community, so please make sure to join. Also, if you want to trade those moves by yourself, please make sure to have the best trading environment possible, with the best liquidity, with the best user interface. And for me, for crypto, that is Maxi. So please make sure to sign up on Maxi through the link in the description. And if you are an all-round trader, you're not trading only Bitcoin, but you want to trade stocks, you want to trade Forex, you want to trade gold or silver, please make sure to sign up over on Simple FX. You can trade literally everything over on those exchanges. So please make sure, if you want to trade more than only crypto in those silly markets right now, and if you want to benefit from stock moves or from gold and silver, please make sure to sign up on Simple FX through the link in the description, and you will have the best all-around trading platform possible. So please make sure to do so. If you look at some on-chain data, what we actually can see is that the Bitcoin adjusted SOPR has not been dumping towards the bear market lows here. What we have been seeing right over here is we have been dumping towards this level of the 0.92 towards 0.94%. With that, the Bitcoin bottom has been formed and Bitcoin started to rally towards the upside. Right now, we're not even close to that level. Every single bear market bottom was between the 0.92 towards 0.94 ratio. Right now, we're not close, so this could signal for a further move towards the downside for Bitcoin. And if we see this level getting hit once again, that is probably the time that Bitcoin has been bottoming out and will start rally towards the upside once again. So also this chart is signaling for a little bit more downwards movement for Bitcoin, and that is where I am longer term are focusing on Bitcoin. Shorter term, we can just manage to write a price action towards the upside or either towards the downside for Bitcoin. So I'm gonna end the video with that. Please make sure to follow me over on X, and of course, please make sure to subscribe me over on my YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.